All right, here's how you get to the Cedar Area Nature Preserve. You zoom in on Bel Air, Michigan. You see the red dot, Craven Park. That's where you can camp. There are baseball fields there as well. And to the north there, you see the green little walking, hiking guy there, and the barns. Here's a zoom in picture of some Google photos there. And you enter the hiking trail on the north side of those barns, and you can hike east. And there's like 3 or 4 different trails. I'll show you later in the video, but you can hike all the way to this east. There's a lot of deer there. So I'm back on this hiking trail. I don't know what this hiking trail is called, but this has got to be big buck territory. Nobody can cross over there unless you, I mean, of course you can cross the creek, but there's the Bel Air Lake. We're camping over that way, and Hunter's getting some water, and I put him on the leash because I don't know if there's any other dogs back here. It's just really, really good boy. All right, come on, come on, come on. Good boy, good boy. You listen. But look at this kind of cool little area back here. I'll kind of show you. Let's see. I mean, there's the trail that way. That's the Antrim County Fair right there. And I don't know how far this goes back, but it looks like it kind of dead ends right there. And it curves around here. There's got to be some big bucks just hiding in here. Let's see. So it looks like Hunter's pulling me. Plus, this is bear country. I don't want him to run into a black bear. And I really don't want him to get all muddy. This swamp on the left side here. Okay, go slow, bud. This is a cute little trail. Neato. I don't know how far it goes back. I'm gonna look on the, oh, there's a cute little bridge here. This is neat. Lots of firewood if you need it. A memory of Philip Ritt. Huh. That's cool. Built a nice little walkway. This is really neat. Yep, I bet there's deer hiding in here somewhere. Wow, this goes back here far. I'm gonna have to look at the map. I just saw 2 deer, whitetails through there. I knew there was some deer back here. I don't know if I should go this way or... Let's see if I can see them. I just saw their tail. They got spooked by Hunter. Hunter looks like a wolf to them, probably. Hunter. Hunter, come here. Good boy. Look at what I found. I regret not putting mosquito spray on, but we got some black bear. These are good. Those aren't very sweet, but there's a bunch of them right there. Look at this, cool. This is Cedar Creek, or Cedar River, whatever you want to call it. This is into one of the hiking spots. It's really cool in here. And, oh, you're all muddy now. I don't think I want to go any further. It looks really muddy. Come on. Hunter, come on. Let's go. Let's go back. I don't have hiking boots on, really. This is neat, though. Come on, Hunter. All right, get some water. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Oh, God. That's really cool back here. You can tell. People hike it quite a bit. Oh, somebody had a fire there. Good boy, Hunter. Come on. You're getting all wet. Okay, I'll wait for you. You play. Hunter, don't go too far. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's deep there, huh? Come right up here. Right here. Come on. He wants to. All right, get your water. Goofball. I mean, you could probably cross right there if you needed to, but look at Hunter. He's just having a ball. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's go back. This is the hiking trail. I use this HuntWise app. There's where I started at Craven Park. The white line is where I hiked. The yellow lines are other hiking trails. And I went all the way up to this point right there. That's Cedar River. But you can follow this longer trail here, which I didn't do because I had my dog. And can hike all that right there. And those the circle back. And you're there.